Good evening. I'll get Lana to do it next time then. Good morning, good evening or good afternoon folks. Where am I? I'm at Bromsgrove. And and I've got a little Jersey here with me on grandad duties. Now hopefully we're going for a ride out on the bus to Worcester, all being well. We're just by the church, St John's, and it's really nice here. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe, appreciate that. And let me just spin you around there. It's a lovely view. Yeah. Right, so yeah, fantastic view here of the church, and I love it's got the moss on the path here. That's a lovely little view down there. So anyway, we're going to have a little walk round, and yeah, we're going to have a walk round, so we'll catch you in a bit folks. Thanks for joining me. Come on, that'll do now. Now I have done a video on those two gravestones there of the train explosion over there, and we're just heading down now to get to Bromsgrove bus station. Swing you around to me. There is a video on the bus ride to the station, so check that one out. I'm just heading down here now, so we'll catch you in a bit. Right, so we're not far from Bromsgrove station. There's a nice little memorial there. Jersey's going over that way. I don't really want to get me sketches wet. It's the 4th of January today. I will be having a trip to Spain soon, so look out for the up and coming Spain videos. Yeah, so there's a nice memorial there. We'll catch you. We're on, we want the Worcester bus, which is up there. Yes, it's this one here. It's in 5 minutes. It says stands free, so let's go and find stand. Right, here's our bus, the 144. I'm not going to do much filming on the bus. Hang on. So let's get on the bus. Excited? All right. Okay, cheers. Going up the steps then. Yeah, go on there. Go on, go to the back, yeah. All right. Come on then. You don't need seat belts on the bus now. Not on this one. Yeah, we're off now. Sit down. Be good. Right, don't move now. Yeah, so just leaving Bromsgrove. Jersey saw one of her school friends on a little scooter. So let's just do a quick shot at the back of the bus. We'll see in a bit. Yeah, so there's the 144 bus that's just dropped us off, and she wants a picture by the tree. Here she is. Go on then. Right. Yeah, greetings. Yeah, greetings, folks. We're just heading down towards the river now. This is the main shopping area. I've done other videos on Worcester, so I'm not doing much here. Just a few clips. So come on, we're having a good time. She's enjoying herself. So anyway, we'll see you a bit further along. Yeah, so it's January the 4th. Nice building there. Christmas trees are still out at the moment. Again, it's a nice. Yeah, they're nice, aren't they? Yeah, so we're just going down. Yeah. Go on then. Turn around there. Come on then. Come on then. Right, let me just do one with your phone now for you. Yeah, we're just heading through this little shortcut through here now. So, bit of information on about the clock. I don't know where the clock is, but we've got CEX here. I'm not going to go in today, but I might look in the window. So hang on. We're going to go. We're going to. Yeah, that's not a real fire, is it? I'll tell you what we're going to do. Go on then. Go on then. You by the fire? No? That's a nice pub. This is Friar Street here, folks. Let's go down. Yeah, there is a McDonald's. Yeah, some lovely buildings just here. So we're making our way down to the river. I forgot how to get there, but I think we're on the right track, I think. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Right, there's Union Street there. So we'll carry on down. So we'll, yeah, lovely. So I do like the buildings here, I must say. Just got to get me bearings to get to the river. So we'll see you in a bit. So that's a nice building over there. It's saying Foregate Street that way. Oh, got a church up there. Actually, I'm on Tilt Lock. So got Nando's on the left. Cinema here. Yeah, it's the cinema. Watch out, someone's spilt their tea. Come on. Right, so we've got to go down this way. That says it's the King's Worcester. I'm hoping, trying to head down towards the river still. Now, I was walking on the road and Jersey said I've got to be safe and follow her on the path, didn't you, Jersey? Let's go. Now,
can you go inside that building?
We'll go through, yeah. But,
I want to see what's through those windows.
yeah.
Can we go inside?
Go on then, go through here. Oh, this is Worcester Cathedral. So, I can't go in, it's locked. Come on then. You like it? Okay, come on there. So, yeah, it's the back end of the cathedral. I don't know. I think we've got to head down this way now. That's the college there. Let's go down here because we're trying to head towards the river. So I don't know if we can get down this way. Oh, there's the river over there. So we'll just go around here. Come on there. Chap's just told us the way. So follow that where that man's coming out. Let's go and see what the river's like. No swimming today, Jersey. Right, so we're down by the river. We're going to walk along this way now. Blimey. Don't get climbing up, I don't want you to fall in. Let's go and walk up that way and see if we can... There's no boats today. Yeah. Yeah, you can see... well, we're going to have a little walk. Try and get all the way along there to where the swans are. So we're going to go this way. Come on, up the steps. Follow me, folks. Follow me. Oh, follow Jersey. Well, she has been good today. Yeah. Yeah, so you see the bridge over there. I haven't brought my Sony with me, but you can see it's well flooded. So.
It's flooding that tree too.
Yeah, just a little shot over there.
I think there's going to be a shark in there.
Yeah. Right, so I think that's the cathedral there. We're just going to do something to me thing here so I can tilt up a little bit. Yeah.
We will never
Lovely. Yeah, it's nice. I'm just going to change to follow. Go on then. Go on then. Right. I'll do one with my phone as well. I'll just get a little shot. That's nice.
Right, the river looks so big.
Yeah. It's flooded. Yeah. Put that up. We can have a look. See what's over here. Little view. Going down. What I'm doing, and I'll swing you around to me. Yeah, I'm not going to bother to go all the way around to the river now. So we're going to go. Yeah, do you want a quick look in? Yeah. Just a quick look. But you've got to behave. Entrance. Oh, we can go in through this way. It's the exit, but go on there.
Do you want to have a look at all of the pretty trees?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Huh? Do you?
Yeah.
Well, we're only having a... I'm going to go this way.
It's up there. Up there. Come on.
Hang on. Hang on. It's very nice. Now, believe it or not, Jersey knows all about these trees. So, who brought you here? Your school brought you here? All right. Yeah, it's very nice. Blimey. Yeah, this is a nice little bonus, seeing all these trees. So it's January the 4th, but still nice to see them. It's a nice tree. Jersey reckons something to do with her school, and she reckons she's found her little thing on there, but right.
Can I go inside that? What's this one called?
That's Chantry School, that is there.
What's this one?
Oh, there's some Monopoly money on that one, look.
I think we have to catch up. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah. That'll do. Yeah, some lovely trees here. But I do like these bells. Yeah. Hang on, some more in there. We're going there now. Let me just have a quick look at the. Just doing a little dolly shot here. Hang on. I love the bells. Yeah. Just gonna have a look. More trees this way. Yeah. So just a little pan round in here. Amazing. Amount of trees. I love the building as well. This is nice one, isn't it? Barbie.
I want to touch those doors.
Yeah. Yeah, lovely. Well, that's been great. Little bonus coming in here, all these trees. So we're going to go and get some lunch now. Act 1, Scene 2, going up.
Okay. What about sparkles? There's sparkles.
The love of God and the fellowship of the Holy Spirit be with us and all whom we love and pray for, both living and departed, today and forevermore. Amen.
Yeah, I'm not sure this is asleep, just here, but nice.
Touch it.
That's nice there. Not sure who it is, I'll go down. You can pause it. Oh, really, it's a good job with the pocket, the low light. I haven't got it switched in the low light mode, but still works great in normal. Right, she's climbing around. I'm just going to see what it says on the wall here.
What does that say, Grandad?
Well, I'm just going to read it later, but something 1930 anyway, that was. Yeah, just going out the bus depot. Got some floods around here. Yeah, greetings folks. That was great, and I think I've done enough video now, so I'm going to end this video now. Little Jersey's climbing a tree. That was fantastic in the cathedral. So hope you've liked the video. Now it's free to subscribe. Right there, Jersey, I'll get your picture in a sec. Yeah, it's free to subscribe, so you can do that. And I'll just swing you around a minute.
I get to climb on the roof.
Yeah, just keep an eye on her. So let's hope there's peace in Ukraine and all around the world. And I'm hoping, we'll pull that back out a bit, hoping 2024 is going to be a good year for me. Fingers crossed, but don't ask about the date inside. So you will be seeing some videos from Spain. Hope you enjoy them. And I can't wait. I've got the Isle of Wight trip February, trip to Great Yarmouth March, and the wheels will be rolling in the motorhome. Not sure where. I'm going to make some plans. You can come along with me if you want to, so come and join me. See you all soon. Bye folks, bye.